In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Shopify plan with PayPal. If you're managing a Shopify store and want the flexibility to use different payment methods, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up PayPal as the preferred way to handle your subscription fees. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Shopify admin account. This is the central hub where you manage every aspect of your online store, including your payment settings. If you're not familiar with it, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Settings tab located at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. From there, click on Billing, or you might find it under Account or Plan, followed by Billing, depending on your Shopify setup. This section is crucial as it gives you a comprehensive view of all your billing details and current payment methods. Next, within the billing page, you'll find a section specifically for payment methods for your Shopify bills. Here, you want to look for the option that says Add or Change Payment Method. Selecting this will lead you to the next step, where you get to decide which payment method you'd like to use. Now here's where PayPal comes in. Shopify conveniently supports payment through PayPal, whether you're using the balance in your account, a linked bank account, or any debit or credit card connected via PayPal. This versatility makes it a preferred choice for many users. To proceed, select PayPal as your payment method. Doing so will redirect you to PayPal's website, where you'll need to log in as you normally would when making any purchase using PayPal. Once you're logged in, you will need to confirm that you authorize Shopify to access your PayPal account. This step is important. It gives Shopify permission to charge your subscription fees automatically through PayPal whenever they're due. Completing these permissions connects your PayPal account to Shopify, establishing it as the default payment method for your recurring subscription billing. Once set up, you won't need to worry about manually keeping track of your payment dates or updating your payment method often. Shopify will automatically deduct the subscription amount from your chosen PayPal source, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free billing experience. And that's it. You've now successfully set up PayPal as the payment method for your Shopify plan. This can make managing your store even smoother, giving you peace of mind and the flexibility you desire. If any changes arise, or if you decide to switch payment methods in the future, simply revisit the settings and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.